Well guys, it has been a great day so far. Got some awesome news about an iOS 11.4.1 jailbreak in my last video. If you guys missed that, definitely check that out. But then just when I went to check in the mail right after recording that video, I got this guy here today. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. I'm sure you guys can probably guess what finally came in the mail, but we have our iPhone XS Max case. That is the phone that I pre-ordered. I actually pre-ordered it in black and went with an all-white silicone case from Apple. So let's take a look at this guy. Again, we can unbox it and peel it open right there from the sticker. And of course it's not going to peel easy. Oh, that looks great. No. That was pretty cringeworthy, but I'll take it. We finally got the case out. Probably not returning that guy after the way I unboxed it, but no, holy crap, that case is just massive. I mean, look at that size comparison of the iPhone X compared to how big this phone is going to be. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited for this phone to come out. I mean, kind of comparing it side by side, these are pretty much identical cases. Both are the silicone cases from Apple. This phone is just going to be huge. I am super stoked to do a review. Again, that is coming in early morning on Friday. I pre-ordered the iPhone XS in all black, like I said. Tanner is ordering one as well. I'm not sure what color he got, so I might actually be surprised at his video. I know he got the watch as well. So anyway, guys, just a quick size comparison in the two cases being the 10 and XS, and then the XS Max. This phone is just going to be huge. Oh my god, I'm just wanting to record this video and share it with you guys very quickly. Just to start getting in the mood of doing unboxings and share my excitement with how awesome this phone is going to be. I mean, the camera lines up pretty much identically. That is going to be massive. Oh my god. So stoked, guys. Stay tuned for that unboxing coming Friday. Hope you enjoyed this quick video just taking a look at the case size comparison. Let me know down in the comments section, did you guys pre-order the iPhone XS or XS Max in either white or black or gold? What's your favorite color and such like that? Anyway, guys, just a quick little video doing a case unboxing. That was pretty bad unboxing it, but you know, we got it out. We are here, we survived, and I'll see you guys real soon on Friday. Thanks for watching, but until next time, this is Tony, signing out.